Hey guys, let's get back to the weekly videos. This is my 1964 Ford Falcon, and I'm doing a full restoration on it, slash resto mod. I'm going to be documenting everything from the wiring, to the metal work, to the body work, primer, paint, rear end, suspension components, engine swap, interior, every single thing that needs to be done on this car. I'm going to record and show you guys. And every week I'm going to post an update and show you the progress. I'm going to show you guys what tools I use, where I order my parts, how I do stuff, the processes, different steps I take. I'm going to show you everything. So where are we at? This week we got the fuse box, or glove box, whatever you want to call it. I got the fuse block mounted in the glove box. So that's going to be a nice, instead of having to dig underneath the dash and stuff right there, easy access. I'm going to put in a Dakota Digital instrument cluster and a Holley sniper on the engine. I'm going to put both those control modules right in here as well. So everything's going to be easy access. I can see any troubleshooting codes or replace any relays, fuses, whatever. Super easy. I don't have to crawl into the dash, look at it. This car is not going to have heat or air conditioning, so I can utilize all that space. And I'm not putting the wipers on this thing either, so tons of room underneath the dash. So it's super simple. And if I need to crawl underneath there, I have access to all the wires, so it's gonna be really nice. I started pulling some of the wires. I got the tail light. These are all the rear wires, turn signals, tail lights, fuel gauge, all that stuff. I got everything ran to the back. I got some wires bundled up. Those are front of the dash. Instrument cluster, radio, that just all sit in there. I just need to put the wires in here so I can know where I need to drill holes and stuff, because I welded up all the holes in the, well, most of the holes in the firewall. Got all the front wires ran out here. Headlights, turn signals, brights, parking lights. We got an engine mocked up in here. Yes, I'm putting a small block Chevy in here. Unless this YouTube channel blows up and I can afford to put something bigger, which I highly doubt that. So right now, this is going to be a budget build. Small block Chevy. I'm going to do a blueprint engine with a Holley sniper on it. It's going to be a nice, simple ride with a Turbo 350. We got the bumper all shaved up. I'm not going to do carriage bolts. I welded up all the holes, and then I had to modify the bumper bracket. I actually have plates on the inside of the bumper welded in here with studs coming out, and those go into the bumper bracket to hold it into place. I still have to weld the bottom plate. We got the top plate up there. The bottom plate, so no more carriage bolts. The bumper just has its own studs. Nice clean install. This thing has a Heights cross member. We're doing the Mustang 2 suspension on it, so it's going to have coilovers. I got rid of the shock towers. I made my own pieces. I have old videos on this if you want to check them out. Probably posted about a year ago. It'd be in the Ford Falcon Restoration Series Season 1 playlist way in the beginning. One of my first video, well, one of my early on videos I made. I still have to modify some of that for the upper control arms to fit in here. I need to get the sway bar from Heights ordered, and I want to get Heights upper and lower control arms. Heights was kind enough to send out a banner. Thank you. I got a couple companies that sent out some banners to me. Brunt, Painless Wiring, QA1, and Benchmark Abrasives. Thank you. We got all the trim holes welded up. I'm just giving you a full update on this whole car. I didn't do all this week. This week I just messed with the wiring. But just to get you, if you're new here, I'm just getting you up to speed. We're gonna put different mirrors on. I'm put mirrors on the fenders, so I gotta get those ordered. I need to get a new quarter panel ordered. So I've been doing YouTube for about a year now, and I just got monetized 2-3 months ago, and so that's what you guys are gonna buy me from watching all the videos, is a quarter panel. Being monetized and stuff isn't all what it's cracked up to be. You don't really earn much. I probably get like a dollar a day. So, but that's what's gonna be the first purchase. As of this video right now, I still can't get the quarter panel from it yet, but that's what it's gonna be. The first, everything that this YouTube channel makes is going right into the car. So thank you guys for watching. All your views, comments, likes, subscriptions, they all go right into the car. So, well, they're going to once I make enough for it to. But so this is kind of a YouTube build. I don't know if I should have named it that, the YouTube build series. But yeah, this is my 1964 Falcon. This thing's gonna be a sweet car when it's done. It's gonna be all black, polished wheels. It's not gonna. These wheels are just mock-up wheels. That's where I want to put them. I gotta get a rear end ordered. That's gonna be what's gonna get purchased after the quarter panel. So I just got the wheels sitting there. I do have a Heights 4-link suspension. I have the 4-link just sitting there. I need to get the rear end attached to it, and then get the pan bar put on. And I also have you can barely see them, Heights subframe connectors. And I have videos on all this stuff as well. So if you're new here, you can check all that stuff out. But from here on out, it's going to be in this playlist. But I do have some old playlists you guys can look at. Little shop update. We did team up with Art Captain. So they sent out this MiG 200. Awesome unit. And the Cut 55 Pro. I really like them. I'll show you guys me using them in upcoming videos. I definitely like this. This is my Miller-Matic. I've had this thing for a long time. But this Art Captain, it's a nice little unit. That thing can weld just as good as this Miller. So I made this vise stand so I can get the vise up here so I can finally have something solid to work on. I've been having this vise on different benches and stuff. I had it over here. I had it on this too, but then you start working. Like I threw a bumper up here, then I got this. I got to take the vise off and stuff. So slowly getting some stuff figured out. I moved my press over here. I don't really use this overhead door, so I want to get a bead roller and different things, and I'll have that stuff all set up right here. This is my portable sandblaster I made. Actually, this is a propane tank. I cut the top off it, and then I put sand in there, and I hooked all this up. These are just air lines. And I got this cheap gun off Amazon. So this is just a portable, and I welded it all to a dolly. So that's a portable sandblast unit. Super cool, super simple. That's what, I had this car in a rotisserie, and that's how I got all the paint off the underside, was with that sandblaster. I actually did it in here, and it was a big mess. I still got sand up on top of the lights and stuff, so definitely recommend setting up tarps or something if you ever do that. But yeah, this is just a little, this is the first update video. They're not going to be all this talking. I'll be doing more working. Anyone that's a new viewer, I just want to give you guys a little update on what's going on and what we're going to do. Every Sunday at 9 a.m., I'm going to post the video so you guys can watch it. I'm going to have this playlist, weekly Falcon update playlist. All the videos will be there so you can look back on previous videos, skip ahead to future videos from this video. They're all going to be there.